Blevins and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32 count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance using steps and counts. We'll then do the front wall with steps and counts, and then we'll do a full rotation of the dance or 4 walls and talk about the ending before you can go dance it with a demo and then dance it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn 6's to 9's. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step out, slightly traveling back, right, left. So we're going to go out. As you step with this left foot, you're going to start your body roll, rolling your right shoulder up and then sitting down onto that left foot, bringing your right heel up. This is on 2. We're now going to do a right sailor step, back, out, and we're going to do a behind quarter, behind quarter to face 6 o'clock. Kick ball cross with the right, kick right, step right, cross left. Let's try it with some counts. Back with that right foot, and 1, sit 2, sailor 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a gliding half turn. So we're going to step this right foot to the right side, slightly sliding it to the side. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, sliding your left foot to the left side to come back to 12 o'clock. We're now going to do a crossing mambo step. We're going to cross rock that right over our left, recover on your left, and step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to walk into the 130 diagonal, starting with your left foot. Step left, step right, and you're going to do a left mambo step into the diagonal, rock, and step back. Let's try that with some counts. Facing 6 o'clock, your weight is on your left foot. We're sliding to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our right foot to the side as you point your left toe. Your body is going to be facing 430, so you're stepping towards 730. Your body is facing 430 diagonal, and you're going to point your left toe to the 130 diagonal. You're now going to make a quarter turn, stepping onto that left foot, bringing yourself back to the 130 diagonal, and you're going to make an eighth of a turn, hitching your right knee up and over your left foot. You're then going to cross your right over your left, hitch your left knee up, do a crossing shuffle with the left, cross and cross. We're now going to repeat that, but make a quarter turn with our right. So hitch your right knee up, making a quarter turn, and do a locking shuffle forward. It's cross and cross. Let's try that with some counts. We just did our mambo into the diagonal, so we're facing 130 with your weight on your left. Quarter turn and point. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section, we're going to do a half pivot with our left foot. So we're going to step forward with the left, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to do a boogie walk or a running walk forward with slightly bent knees. When you do the boogie walk, your knees are going to go to whichever side you're stepping with. So when we step to the left, your knees are going to go left. When we step to the right, your knees are going to go to the right. When you step with the left, knees go to the left. So let's try it. Weights on your right foot. Starting with the left, do a boogie walk. It's left, right, left. Now you're going to do a right mambo step, rock and step back. You're going to do a step back with the left, touch your right toe back. We're going to make a half unwind over our right shoulder. You're going to keep your weight on your left foot and sit back onto that left foot. Your right toe is just there to hang out. And then you would start the dance all over again with your out. And that is the whole dance. So let's try that last part with some counts. We just did our locking shuffle forward, so your weight is on your right foot. Half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Start the dance all over again. And that is all the steps for 6's to 9's. So let's turn around and do the front wall with steps and with counts before going all the way around the room, so then you can learn it completely. We're hopping out, starting with that right foot, back, roll and sit, sailor step, behind quarter, kick and cross, side, half, rock and side diagonal walk, mambo step, quarter point, quarter hitch, step, crossing shuffle, hitch, crossing shuffle, step, half pivot, boogie walk, mambo step, ball touch, unwind, weights on your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts, starting with your right foot going back. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And you would start the dance all over again. That half pivot, sitting back, you want to think that it's allowing you to kind of fall back into that step and allow you to do that body roll. So the more that your weight is kind of, that right knee is up, it will help you start that body roll. Now, before we go all the way around, let's talk about that hitching step. It's going to feel very long when you start dancing it to the music. So when we do that point and that hitch, this is going to feel like a very slow hitch, and then it goes very quick. Feel free to drag that part out. It will help with the timing of the dance. So let's go all the way around. I'm going to do the front and back walls with steps, and our side walls will have counts. Weights on your left foot. We're going out, out with the right, stepping back with the right, out, out, roll and sit. Sailor step, behind quarter, quarter, kick and cross. Side half, rock and side diagonal walk, walk, mambo step, quarter point, quarter, eighth hitch, cross, and cross, quarter, cross, and cross. Step, half pivot, boogie walk, mambo step, back, touch, unwind, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, out, out, roll and sit. Sailor step, behind quarter, quarter, kick and cross. Side half, rock and side diagonal walk, walk, mambo step, quarter point, quarter, eighth hitch, step, cross, hitching, shuffle, cross, shuffle, forward. Step, half pivot, boogie walk, mambo step, back, touch, unwind, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And then we would start the dance all over again. I hope this helps you learn 6's to 9's, and I hope I get to dance it with you on a floor sometime soon. Thanks, guys.